So we have to rotate the switch and bring it over here. And then we can use this multimeter to check the type of transistor. Multimeter has also two terminals. It has two terminals, positive and negative terminals. This is called as positive terminals. You can see the wire is gone here. And this is called as negative terminal. They are also called as positive and negative probe of multimeter. At present, the switch is off, so there is nothing on the display. We can see that there are two transistors. We have been given two transistor. Now, transistor has three terminals, emitter, base, and collector. How to identify which terminal is emitter, which one is base, and which one is collector? In order to understand that, let us see the transistor very closely. So this portion is called as tab. The terminal close to this tab is called as emitter. This is called as tab, and the terminal close to this tab is called as emitter. Then we have base and collector. In this way, we can understand this is the tab, this is emitter, then we go clockwise, this is base, and this is collector. Base is the middle one. A terminal close to tab is called as emitter, and then we have collector, the last one.